Hey guys, welcome back to Workshop Wednesdays. Today we've got a Golf in. What's the Golf in for, Dan?
So the Golf has come in for a engine management fault, which I wanted to open the bonnet and have a little look, but unfortunately the bonnet was jammed shut. So the cable, the lever, I'll show you in here. The lever is broken off. I've taken this panel off so we can see what's going on. And basically the lever does absolutely nothing. So I'll push it back on. It does absolutely nothing, right? And the reason being was this cable here has snapped in this. So basically that cable's sitting there and it's all the way pulled out, and you can see it's snapped here. So I had a great job trying to undo the bonnet.
Yeah, but didn't you find a really easy fix?
Basically, after doing some research into it, you can just about get a spanner to undo these. Unfortunately, someone has been here before and they've done a little bit of damage here and a little bit of damage here. I was very careful, didn't do any damage. So luckily I showed the customer that before we even started. But yeah, so if you get a bonnet jammed, I recommend you try and undo those two bolts. It's a little bit fiddly, did take a while, but yeah, once they were out, I could then lift the bonnet and see what's going on here.
It's better than some of the other videos that we've seen where they cut the grill and chopped the bonnet and still didn't get in, wasn't it?
Yeah, so I watched one video and he literally destroyed that and made a right mess of it all. So yeah, this is very, very simple really. So yeah, happy days.
Oh, crack on.
It's really good.
I can see the end bit, so that's a bonus.
There's little plastic bits on the end, and it's got the dead curve, it's not big. There we go. Finally. So that goes to there like that. And we just need to get this in. Question is, will it work?
Fingers crossed.
Nice. Don't pull the lever. Pull the lever. Hey. Works. Okay, so moment of truth. It's all back together. Clips all in there. That's all back on. Inside here is all back together, which Robin will show you in a sec. So she's going to open it. Go on.
You sure? Okay.
Well, it's too late now. Shut it.
Let's see if it opens.
If it doesn't, won't be happy.
Watch out the way, Barney. Okay, so let's see.
Hey, there we go.
It works. So,
That's it.
quick overview. What have we done? How have we fixed it?
So yeah, wouldn't open from the inside. Couldn't work out how to get the bonnet open. Watched various videos of people destroying their car. Found one guy that actually knew what he was talking about, and it's just undo these 2 bolts here and the bonnet opens. Then found this cable had broken in here, which the old one's gone now, so it's had a new cable from there to there and a new handle inside, which has fixed that. So it's all back together, all working, so I can get on with the engine management fault now.
Perfect. So for anybody out there that has a 2016 Golf,
Yeah,
this is how you can get under your bonnet and not damage anything in the process. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up icon. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check out every Wednesday for the next installment.
see you guys.
Bye. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.